Tesla stock predictions either predict greatness or disaster. Some believe that shares will surge further, while others warn they're overvalued and prone to collapse. Today, we'll check out Tesla stock price prediction for 2021. Number 5. Outlook of Tesla stocks. The American electric vehicles company Tesla and its controversial CEO Elon Musk have often hit the headlines in 2020. Elon Musk has always argued that Tesla can generate better margins than traditional automakers by cutting dealers out of the equation and having lower production costs through simple electric vehicle designs. So far, that model is proving correct. What's even more impressive is that Tesla has maintained strong margins as it has reduced its average selling price of vehicles. The company clearly has a cost structure that competitors haven't caught up to, and with upsells like self-driving now on the market, there could be opportunities to push margins even higher. From surpassing the production of 1 million electric cars to becoming the world's most valuable American automaker, the company has seen many milestones over the last 12 months. But how will this success affect its stock price in 2021? If you're wondering, is Tesla a buy or sell? You're in the right place. Despite claims that the Tesla stock is overpriced $695 at the time of writing, investor interest has never been higher in TSLA, and with the company's $550 billion market capitalization, many analysts believe that the coming years will take it to new heights. Number 4. How has the stock price of Tesla changed over time? Tesla entered the EV market as Tesla Motors in 2003, but it wasn't until 2013 that the company started making a profit. Elon Musk took on the role of CEO in 2008. Tesla's aim is to expedite the switch to more sustainable forms of transport, making use of electricity and solar energy to power its vehicles. Its global sales increased by a staggering 50%. In 2020, it produced its 1 millionth electric car. But it's not all good news. The company has frequently been at the center of lawsuits and controversies, partly due to Elon Musk's outrageous conduct. One particular example of this occurred in August 2017, when he tweeted that he had secured funding to take the company private at $420. This claim later proved to be completely false. Before this year, the ATH stock price of TSLA was just $70, a figure that has since jumped by almost 900% to hit $695. Throughout December 2020 alone, Tesla has gained more than $100, opening at a value of $584.76 at the beginning of the month, and now trading at $695. It's a jump that has caused many investors and analysts to ask, is Tesla stock overpriced? And why is Tesla stock price so high? For others, however, its success has been a huge reassurance after the coronavirus crash that occurred back in March. As investor uncertainty grew to a fever pitch in response to news of the COVID-19 outbreak sweeping across the world, the stock market saw one of the biggest crashes in history. Like most companies, TSLA wasn't immune to this crash. Between March 6th and March 16th, the stock price of Tesla crashed from $140.696 to $89.014, its lowest price of the year. The fact it recovered so strongly is a result of various factors. In the section below, we'll be exploring some of the factors that have affected the stock price of Tesla. Number 3. Tesla stock price predictions. A dramatic collapse? Many upbeat Tesla share predictions are informed by how demand for electric vehicles is on the rise. And around the world, countries are proclaiming that they won't allow brand new diesel vehicles to be sold within a few years' time. But figures from McKinsey suggest that, at least in the short term, growth in the number of electric vehicles sold has begun to slow substantially. Worldwide, sales surged by 65% between 2017 and 2018, But the year-on-year growth in 2019 was a tepid 9%. The data would have been much worse. Although Tesla was an early adopter, and that delivers advantages in itself, established brands such as General Motors are now investing heavily in their own offerings. Innovation from other electric vehicle rivals could also prove problematic. NIO is shaking things up by selling its cars and batteries separately, making the motors cheaper while ensuring that consumers can upgrade as technology improves. Although Jefferies analysts do believe that the company has an opportunity to grow revenues and earnings in 2021, there could be some challenges as it aims to deliver enough capacity to meet demand. Then again, strategists at Wedbush have been setting out their bull case for Tesla stock, expressing optimism that the stock could surge to $1,000 in the not-too-distant future. He believes that sales for the whole sector worldwide could more than triple to 10% in 5 years' time, adding, with Tesla being the clear leader, we believe China could represent 40% of sales in 2022, up from 15% today. But one thing that recently affected Tesla share price predictions was the manufacturer's announcement that it was going to raise $5 billion through an at-the-market share offering by selling stock directly to the market at its discretion. Number 2. Short-term Tesla stock price predictions 2021. August 2020 saw the price of a single Tesla share rise to more than $2,000. It was also accepted into the S&P 500 index. These factors have led many people to ask, should I invest in Tesla? According to Adam Jonas, an analyst from Morgan Stanley, the forecast for Tesla is bright. Jonas recently upgraded his recommendation from hold to buy, claiming that 2021 could see the stock price soar to $1,068. This is significantly higher than its all-time high, ATH, which is its current price of $695. Jonas's predictions are shared by analysts at the investment bank Goldman Sachs, which has also upgraded its recommendation from hold to buy. It's boosted its one-year target from $455 to $780, almost $100 higher than TSLA's current value. This opinion is echoed by the platform Wallet Investor. As we can see, Wallet Investors believes that 2021 could be a breakout year for the electric vehicle EV giant. According to its predictions, the stock price of Tesla could reach $766.704, a figure that would represent a long-term earning potential of plus 9.01%. Its forecast is also remarkably steady, with around a $20 difference between its minimum and maximum predictions. Number 1. Long-term TSLA price predictions, 2022 to 2025. The short-term predictions for the stock price of Tesla are a mixed bag. From breaking the $1,000 barrier to deflating like a crushed souffle, the forecasts encompass both sides of the spectrum. If you're feeling even more confused about the answer to the question, should I buy Tesla stock 2021? Keep watching. We're looking ahead to 2022-2025 to see whether the long-term predictions can help us come to a consensus. For our first long-term price prediction, we're returning to Wallet Investor. According to its predictions, Tesla stock prices won't hit $1,000 in 2022 and will continue trading between $870 and $970 for the majority of 2023. In November and December, however, it will rise to over $1,000 very briefly, eventually closing the year at $1,018.480. Wallet Investor believes 2024 and 2025 will see TSLA manage to defend its position more consistently, with the stock price hitting $1,200 by July 2025. A more bearish prediction comes from LeoProfit.com. For exactly half of 2022, LeoProfit.com forecasts a negative growth rate, with the stock price eventually closing the year at disappointing value of $561. This will be an improvement upon its November prediction, which is just $533. Wood, who is the CEO and founder of ARK Investment Management, has given a staggering forecast that TSLA will be worth $7,000 by 2025. To arrive at this conclusion, ARK Investment Management analyzed 10 different company outcomes, even considering the possibility and potential effects of Tesla going bankrupt. Wood confirmed, our confidence that this stock is heading for $7,000 over the next 5 years is very high. Tesla might best be compared to the Marmite of the stock market. You either love it or you hate it. Do let us know in the comments what you think of it. Please subscribe to Stock Advisor. Thanks for watching.